Hi, good morning. So, today I'm going to share one exercise with you which might help you to do the things you always wanted to do but you're not able to do for some other reasons. Maybe it could be time limitation, maybe it could be financial limitations. So, let's do this exercise. Take a pen and paper and now take 10, 20, 30 minutes time to think about the things you always wanted to do but you couldn't do it for various reasons. So take that 10, 20, 30 minutes time to recollect, to understand, and to know what all those things you always wanted to do. Now, once you have that list, now write down minimum 20 things, okay? Minimum 20 things could be anything, but you always wanted to do because things could be very personal. It could be very personal that you feel personally that I wanted to do it. So don't judge yourself and just write down whatever you feel like you always wanted to do and write down minimum 20 things. And now, once you have that list, that clarity in front of you, okay, these are the things I always wanted to do. Now, divide those 20 things into three parts. First part would be what is it that you can do in immediate time, like today. Second part would be what is it that you can do within 1 week's time. Third part would be what is it that you can do within 1 month's time. Now you have clarity of the things you always wanted to do, and you have an understanding that these are the things which I can do in this particular time frame. So, in terms of financial limitations, in terms of time limitations, you know yourself better that you can do this thing today itself. You can do these things within this week, and you can do these things within a 1 month's time. Now, whatever you have in front of you that you can do it today itself. Because many a times we just keep postponing things and we think about, the future time, which is an imaginary thing. So, and then again, once those things are not happening, we we keep regretting things, and so rather than regretting, it is what is it that practical solution for it, what is it that we can do best possible ways. So this is an exercise which might help you if you do it. And again, not necessary that you would do all those 20 things in this particular time frame. It's okay, but at least having an understanding and giving your best to do it, because that is very personal for you, and that gives you a great level of a great amount of satisfaction, inner peace, and uh, a happiness. And that is what we strive for always, right? So do this exercise, and again, whatever possible way you can do it, whatever minimum things you can do it, and see how you feel about it. And do this exercise every week. Take 10, 20, 30 minutes time for yourself whenever it is possible, free time for you, and write down those again 10, 20 things you feel you always wanted to do, and just tick off those things by doing it practically. And it's a great sense of achievement for yourself. You feel good, you feel confident, you feel that you are an achiever, and that helps you a lot, that builds your confidence. So there are other multiple benefits also of these exercises. So do it and let me know. Thank you.